Hello, I wanted to show you how to organize files a little bit. You'll have to decide kind of what the best method is for yourself, but I'm going to show you how to store them on a hard drive in your computer. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up a folder so I can look in my files. So you click on your Windows button down here, and then search for documents. There, and look for this folder, documents. Once you have this open, one thing that could be really handy is to documents. Once you have this open, one thing that could be really handy is to go ahead and park it on your taskbar or your desktop. So I'm going to right click on the highlighted box down here. That means that this is associated with this highlighted box. I'm going to right click on it, and I would look for pin to my taskbar. So that's what I would do, is I'd go ahead and pin it to my taskbar. Since I already have it there, I'm not going to unpin it. The other thing you can do is add a shortcut to your desktop. So you can click up here, so this is highlighted, and then just drag, See, we all have some technical difficulties. Let's see here. Documents. Alright, well, I'm just going to drag from here. So click on documents and just drag to your desktop. There you go. So now you don't have to go and find it again. You can just look for it on your desktop. So the next thing we're going to do is create some folders. So I'm going to make a folder for CAS 133. And then I'm going to click inside there, and I'm going to make a folder for Word Module 1. This is going to take some getting used to, so I'm going to, so just be patient with yourself. Double click on Word Module 1 again, and then we're going to create 3 folders in here. Actually, let's just, we'll do a folder for Word Module 1 project. Project. Word Module 1 Case 1. Word Module 1. If this works for you, it might be worth it to take some time and set this up before you get started. And then in each of these, I'm going to go ahead and maybe also have a folder called Completed Assignment. Completed, well, no, okay. So I'm going to do something different. So for Word Module 1, we created these 3 folders for each of the things that we're assigning. And you might also have one more folder to turn in. And then in this folder, we're going to have 3 more folders. Case 1, Case 2, and Project. Okay. So now we're going to put the data files into these 3 folders, and then when you're done working on each of those, move them to the to turn in folder, or save them in the to turn in folder. So let's see here. I'm going to pause for a minute. We're going to show you how to save files in the next part. So give me a minute.